Hi guys, welcome to Crafting with Ronda MC. If you would like to learn how to make this super cute 4th of July bracelet, continue watching. For today's project, you will need 2 small eye screws, 2 jump rings, and a clasp. I used the tiny Pandora Easy Cuff set to make my bracelet, but you can also use a soda can and a piece of paper. You will need some silver clay. I used the Sculpey Premo clay. You will also need a 4th of July slab, and this slab I created in one of my videos for the 4th of July earrings, and I will leave a link in the description box below that you can click on to watch it so you'll know how to make this slab. Okay, well let's get started. I have conditioned my clay, and now I have rolled it out on a number 3 setting on my pasta machine. I will then place the Easy Cuff template on top and use my tissue blade to cut this out. For this step, you can make your own template with a sheet of paper and cut it down to your length and the width that you like. After I cut out my silver clay, I will place it on my cuff and shape it up. If you do not have a cuff, this is where you can use a soda can. After I smooth all of the edges down, I will cut the excess off of each end. Now we are ready to cut out our slab. Using the same acrylic template or the template that you made from paper, place it on top of your slab and cut that out now. Lay your colored clay on top of your silver clay, and you can go around and clean up the edges. I do not use clay adhesive since we are using wet on wet clay. Then I will use the end of my sculpting tool to go around the outside edges and press down on it. This leaves a scallop-like pattern all around the outside edges. You could also use the end of a paintbrush or ink pen, something like that would work as well. Now I want to add a little bit of bling to my stars by placing clay adhesive in the center and adding my gems. I used the Sculpey baking adhesive and a Swarovski crystal. Now that we have everything smoothed out and our edges scalloped, we are ready to put in our eye screws. And I will take these and dip it in the polymer clay baking adhesive, and then I will gently screw them into the ends of each side of my bracelet. Now that we have both of the eye screws in on each side, it's time to bake the bracelet. And I will bake this at 275 tinted with a temperature gauge for about an hour. Our bracelet is out of the oven and has cooled, so now we can attach our jump rings and our clasp. Okay, there you have it. Our completed bracelet. Super cute, right? All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and until our next video,